How to know if someone unadded you or deleted you on Snapchat. So let's find out. First, open up the Snapchat application, and then you can go for chats, which is on the bottom left. And here you will have your chats, or here you will have your friends, right? So for now, I don't have any of the persons who have unfriended me or who has removed me from their friend list. But if someone has removed you from your friend list, then on the right side of their like chat, you will have that camera icon, right? You will have that camera or the chat icon. But if you don't find either one of that option, and if you find a cross mark, like wrong mark on the right side of their chat, like we have this under our quick add. So if you have this cross mark or this wrong mark on the right side of their chats with your friends, then that means that person is not available on Snapchat, or that person may have blocked you, or that person may have unfriended you, or that person may have deactivated their account and all that. So that's the only way we can find out. Or you can also do another thing, like you can simply um, open your friend's account. So for example, I'll be choosing a person who is not my friend. So you can open up their account, and here if you have an add button instead of this instead of their snap score and their date of birth and all that, instead of that, if you have this add button, then that means they have unfriended you. That's the clear answer. Now you can go for your friends, and if you open up your friends account, and here you will have this streaks and that best friends and all that, right? So if you don't find this kind of interface, and if you find that add button, then that means they have unfriended you. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.